HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Fuel prices have crossed 100 rupees per litre mark in India. Are these the achedins promised by the BJP? The BJP is just fooling the common man, says the Congress party in Goa. The Congress party members are protesting against the fuel price hike across the state. Watch the protest highlights from the state.
लोकांक म्हारगाय कमी करतली म्हणून सांगलेली, पूण 2014 साकून आमी पळयता कशें करून म्हारगायेचो मार मोदी सरकारान आम जनताचेर, जी गरीब जनता आसा त्या जनतेचेर आनी आयज श्रीमंत लोकांक सुद्दां आयज पळयता आमी सूट बुटाचे जे लोक आशिल्ले तांकां सुद्दां आयज गाड्याचेर बसून पेट्रोल वचपा पडटा. म्हणजे ह्या हेजेर मोदी सरकारान लोकांक लुटलेले आसात. लोकांतले पयशे बोल्सांतल्यान काडल्या. पयलीं पॅन्डेमिकाच्या टायमार लोक त्रासान आसात आनी ह्या टायमार मोदी सरकारान लोकांक मदत करपाचें सांडून ही म्हारगाय हाडलेली आसा.
म्हणून आमी सगळीं बायलां आज एकत्रीत आयलेले आसा, कारण की हे सगळे जे जाता पळय म्हारगायेचो पयलो फटको बसता तो आमच्या सगळ्या बायलांक, कित्याक घरचें बजेट आमचें डिस्टर्ब जाता. नुस्तें घरचें बजेट डिस्टर्ब जायना, आमी कितें थोडे फार सेवींग करतात घरच्या बजेटांतल्यान ते सुद्दां डिस्टर्ब जाता ह्या म्हारगाय कारणाक लागून. आणि आज तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें 2004 2004 मदीं आनी 2009 जेन्ना UPA गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्लें तेन्ना पेट्रोलाचे भाव 33 रुपये 71 पैसे आनी 40 रुपये 62 पैसे असे आशिल्ले. पण आनी तेन्ना क्रूड ऑयल पळोवपाक गेल्यार $120 पर बॅरल आशिल्ले. आनी आज क्रूड ऑयल आनी मागीर जेन्ना आमी दिले काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट शेवटी 2014 सुद्दां क्रूड ऑयलचो भाव $147 पर बॅरल आशिल्लो. आनी आज तुम्ही पळयता क्रूड ऑयलचो भाव 67.31 हो एका बॅरलाचो भाव आसा आज. पण तरी पेट्रोल म्हारग आसा.
ह्या प्रोटेस्टाक साथ दिवची आनी जो पर्यंत हो BJP सरकार जो प्रायस रेट कमी हाडूं शकना. आनी तुमकां हांव सांगूंक सोदता की 2017 2012 ह्या पर्रीकर गव्हर्मेंटान ह्या पेट्रोलाचे वेट कमी केल्ले, तुमकां खबर आहा. आनी ते परत उगडास दिवपाची गरज आसा, कारण आयज खरी गरज आसा. ती गरज ते तुमी हांव मागता की ह्या सरकारान एटलिस्ट जे वेट आहा तेजी कमी करचें.
Well, another interesting stories that we bring to you is that on Thursday, the Kalangut Panchayat, it is only a month ago, passed a resolution seeking denotify the village from the list of urban villages. While the local MLA and minister supported the move, it is surprising that only a month ago, the same Panchayat resolved quite the opposite and seek the Kalangut notification as an urban area based on its population. In what is complicated scenario, let us not forget that Kalangut was in the list of the 56 villages which were urbanized and then deurbanized. Now, Roshan Matthias, one of the leading social activists who has fought against the Kalangut's rampant urbanization, spoke to HCN. Watch to what he has to say.
But
Situation is going to
this whole exercise of concretization of Kalangut and urbanization has been going on for a long time, and I think the political leadership in that area, including the MLA, has been in favor of putting Kalangut under an ODP, and that has been there for a long time. So
100%. See, we should understand the background of our current MLA. He is a person from the real estate lobby. Okay, so he has been in this business. I'm not saying it was a hobby or something. It is his business from before he became an MLA. So he has got a lot of friends, he has got a lot of connections where those people are waiting to eat of Kalangut. And they have found him the best person to get things done in Kalangut. So his focus is not Kalangut as a village. His people and Kalangut thing is not on his mind at all. It is only how much he can get of Kalangut. And so all ideas, all proposals are all focused. We were very badly cheated with the ODP. All the people, which actually is a situation created by this present MLA and also previous.
Roshar, one quick question is that again coming to the ODP which you mentioned, don't you think the focus should be more on scrapping or denotifying the ODP, denotifying Kalangut from the ODP status? Because what happens is whether it is urban or non-urban, as long as it falls under the outline development plan, you can allow constructions under the C1, C2 category and allow large buildings to come up. So irrespective of whether you're called urban or rural, the ODP status allows construction in a manner which kind of defies the logic of it being a village, irrespective of the fact that CRZ rules have to be followed.
Very true. Actually, what you're saying is absolutely right, because the ODP actually increased the FAR of so many buildings. Today, in my own village of Kandolim, I'm not even looking at Kalangut. I have a building which has come up, which is 8 to 10 floors, 8 to 10 floors, and the road in front of it is not even 3 meters wide. So this has happened through the ODP. Now, what has happened is he brought in this ODP to favor such builders who are building these tall buildings. Secondly, what happened is in the activism that we have been creating in Kalangut area, a lot of structures that tried to come through the ODP in the CRZ areas were stalled. Okay, and we did a really good job. Many of us are there in Kalangut who are very,
Yes, I'm aware of it.
on ground working hard. Many forums are there, many individuals are there working hard to protect the environment. Now he has understood that these things are not possible even through the ODP in a CRZ area, because they are legally absolutely illegal.
Right.
So he's trying to bring that urban status. He's trying to make the entire village into a CRZ2 area, and then increase the constructions legally up to 50 meters of the high tide line.
While on the other hand, but this is the issue of removing villages for the so-called development has plagued Goa for a long time. Remember how the state government wrote to the Ministry of Environment Forest seeking to denotify 30 odd villages from eco-sensitive areas in the Western Ghats because they did not fall in the criteria of the ecosystem and eco-sensitive villages. These environmentalists feel it is nothing but the government's way off amongst forest and agriculture as its enemy. ACN spoke to some of the environment minister of Goa on the issue and as well as some of the civil rights activists like Abhijit Prabhudesai. Watch.
See, if you go to the notification of the Western Ghats, it is very clearly mentioned that there should be a RSL level, means MSL level, mean sea level should be more than 500 meters. That's what little confused were often. It is somewhere 500 or 600 meters, it should be above. Above 600 is called Western Ghats. Now, what has happened is in each when the measurement is taken, we have seen, the Honorable CM has seen that a lot of these Western Ghats are shown where people are staying, and they are less below than 50 MSL or mean sea level. So all these things have been shown. So when all these things have been shown, which is not as per the draft notification, we do not come in that purview. So I think these 30 villages, what the Honorable CM has written a letter is to drop this, because they do not come in that MSL of more than 500 or 600.
So you're saying that
The shocking truth is that the government of Goa considers forests, agriculture, water bodies, and beaches to be its enemy. In his letter to the Minister of Environment asking to reduce the eco-sensitive area of Western Ghats in Goa from 99 villages to only 30, the Chief Minister of Goa says that forests, agriculture, CRZ and water bodies cover over 90% of the state, and so he has no room for development. So the government of Goa thinks that forests, agriculture, beaches, water bodies are all anti-development and enemy of the state to be destroyed.
हे पळय अर्बनायझेशन म्हणटा न्हू तें कॉलनायझेशन. पुर्तुगेजांनी ब्रिटिशांनी पळय केलेलें तें हे देल्लीकार पॉलिटिशियन आतां करूंक सोदता गोंयांत. आतां तुमकां सांगता हें अर्बनायझेशन कालांगूट पंचायतान आमकां कोणाकूच विचारूंक ना, फोर्स केला आमचेर. मागीर तांकां कळलें आनी व्हिडिओ घालतात आनी लोकांक सगळ्यांक सांगतात. वॉट वील बी द इम्प्लिकेशन्स? लोकांनी जेन्ना तांकां कॉल केलो आनी तेणी चिंतलें इलेक्शन लागीं हा आमचें गडगडो येतलो म्हणून आमचेर सगळे जाणांनी पळय मिटींग केलेली हें पास करपाक. ती तेंची मिटींग ओपोज करपाक जाली लोकांनी आनी वॉल्टर लोबन बॉब मारली म्हणून. आयका रे गोंयकारांनो, चड करून 5 मेंबर मिनिस्टर आनी MLA हे 4 आणे 8 आणे पळय तुमी जोडटले न्हू गोंया माय इकून, ते तुमच्या भुरग्यांच्या नातवांचें तरी चिंता रे. तुमच्या वडिलांनी तुमचें चिंतलें.
After COVID, malaria cases can rise in Karanzalem. Locals from Karanzalem are in fear as a rise of cases of malaria in their vicinity. Locals have raised their serious concern over the drains in the area. They say that several complaints have made to the authorities, but no solution. Watch to what they have to say.
Last 3-4 वर्सां there is not a single malaria case here in my ward. Yeah, isn't it? Wardan khudi zala from this particular area where the tweet has been commented on. Second thing, let me be very clear. This आता मागीर the drain disturbance which is in question. आमचे आताचे काउन्सिलर करुणा पोप स्वतः 3 दीस हांगा उबे रावन सगळें साफ करून घेतलो. ओके, देर इज अ बिट ऑफ इश्यू दे. थंय कितें जाला, इफ यू डू समथींग ओवर दे इट इज हॅविंग अ मल्टिपल इफेक्ट. बिकॉज अदर सायड इज अ प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी, देर इज अ वॉकवे ऑल्सो. थंयसर उदीक सगळें हांगा रावता. सो हे 15-20 दिसां पयलीं ओके बिफोर दीस पिरियड कम पीक तर म्हाका दिसता 2 दीस जाला. आमचो मेयर रोहित मोन्सरात, आमचो डेप्युटी मेयर वसंत आक्षेकार सगळे आमी वार्ड बी सगळे इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक आयले. ऑल द एरियाज आख्खी वॉर्ड तो इन्स्पेक्ट करून गेला एंड ही हॅड गिवन क्लियर इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स टू लुक इन दीस मॅटर ऑल्सो. कित्याक थंय मातशें उदकाचें आय एग्री, बट देर इज नो सी वॉटर लॉगिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस एवरीवेर. पावस चड पडले काय ना मातशें जाता वॉटर लॉगिंग, बट नॉट अ मेजर मान. नॉट अ मेजर मान. 5-10 मिनटां मदीं सगळें वयता. नॉट अ मेजर मान. ओके, एंड सेकेंड थिंग रस्तो वो ड्रेन सगळें जावपा आसा, बट देर इज अ ऑनरेबल एनएमए इज वेरी मच अवेर ऑफ दॅट एंड दे आर डुईंग इट ऑल्सो. हांगासर एक सिवेज लायन येवपा आसा, सो कनेक्टिविटी सुद्दां करपा जाय. सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर दॅट टू फिनीश. कळ्ळें न्हू. आनी देर इज नो वॉटर लायन एज सच. स्पेशली हें जें आसा पळय हांगा, इनफॅक्ट आयजूच इन्स्पेक्शन जावपा आशिल्लें एंड दीस इज नॉट बिकॉज समबडी इज फिटेड.
Tika Utsav 3.0 will start from Sunday, 13th of June. People from the age group of 18 to 44 can walk in at any centers designated in their village panchayats and get themselves vaccinated. CM says vaccination is the only solution left now. Watch to what CM had to say today.
सगळ्या लोकां खातीर आमी येता त्या आयतारच्यान आमी वॅक्सिनेशन सुरवात करता. पण हे वॅक्सिनेशन सुरवात जाल्या उपरांत खंयसरूच गडबड करची न्ही. टिका उत्सव 3 ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी प्रत्येक ग्रामपंचायत, प्रत्येक म्युनिसिपालिटी पर्यंत पावतले आनी हाजो डिटेल आनी टायम टेबल्स आमी हाच्याच बरोबर डिक्लेअर केल्लो आसा. त्या खातीर म्हज्या सगळ्या मित्र मैत्रिणींक हांव सांगपाक सोदतां की तुमी गडबड न करता, घाई न करता, आपल्या ग्रामपंचायतीत जे दिसा प्रोग्राम लागलेलो आसा, कॅम्प लागलेलो आसा, ते दिसा वॉक इन वचून वॅक्सिनेशन करचें. आनी त्या खातीर आमी एका वॅक्सिनेशन सेंटराचेर मॅक्झिमम 250 चडांत चड वॅक्सिनेशन दिसाक करपाक शकतले. बट तुमचे सगळ्यांचें सहकार्य आमकां निश्चितच जाय. आनी टिका उत्सव 3 ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या ग्रामपंचायत आनी गोंयांतल्या सगळ्या म्युनिसिपालिटींनी आमी निश्चितच पावतले. आपल्या ग्रामपंचायतीन, आपल्या म्युनिसिपालिटीन जे दिसा टिका उत्सव आसतलो तेच दिसा वॅक्सिनेशनाक वयचें. कृपा करून तुमी गर्दी करून दुसऱ्या पंचायतींनी वयचें न्ही. आमकां पयलीं रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाची गरज ना. वॉक इन थंयसरूच वचून तुमी रजिस्ट्रेशन करचें आनी आपलो वॅक्सिनेशनचो डोस घेवचो ही तुमकां विनंती आसा.
Well, that's all we have for today in our news bulletin. Thank you for watching HCN. Please do follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to stay updated. Until then, stay safe and keep watching.